Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about the HTML entities, and the entities are a piece of text, string, begin with the and sign and end with a semicolon. Now the question is, what is the usage of the entities? Well, the entities are used to display the reserved characters. What do I mean by a reserved character? The reserved characters are the characters which are reserved, which are used by the language itself. For example, in the HTML we have these greater than and the then sign. They are a reserved character. They are used by the HTML itself. So let's say that I need to display a text and surround it with these signs. Let's say hello. And as you can see, nothing has been displayed because the browser has seen this hello as if it was an HTML element. And that's because the HTML has reserved these two characters to itself. So now, in order to display our text like this, we need to use the HTML entities. So I'm going to use less than entity and then add your text and then greater than entity. And as you can see, by using the entities, our text has been displayed surrounded by our signs. So as we have seen, the first usage is to display the reserved characters. Now the second usage is to display some symbols which are not displayed in our keyboard, such as the spade, the heart, the diamond sign, the euro sign. So we don't usually memorize the entities. No, you can go to W3 Schools. As you can see, we have different signs and their entities. So now let's try this copyright, for example. Let's take it, copy, and then paste it in here. And as you can see, here is the copyright sign. Now let's try the trademark sign. Copy and then paste it in here. And here's the trademark sign. Now, as you can see, there are so many symbols. Let's go in here and go down. And as you can see, you can use all of these. Now let's try this spade and then paste, and here's the spade sign. So you don't need to memorize anything. Now another important entity is the non-breaking space entity. For example, let's have a paragraph and then add text, 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 another text. Now, let's say that I need to create a space between my text. And let's see, nothing has been displayed. The browser didn't see this space. So in order to create a space between my elements, you need to use the non-breaking space entity. And add NBSP. And as you can see, there was a little space. Now, let's add it a few times. And as you can see, the space is getting bigger and bigger. And here's our space. So the non-breaking space entity allows us to do some space between our text, between the content. So that's it for today's video. In today's video, we've talked about the HTML entities. So that's it for now, and see you guys in the next video.